The hook. The hook is the fun bit, the bit that I always used to enjoy as a teacher. This is basically, we've got a unit of work coming up, and how am I going to lure them in? What creative activity will grab the imagination and hopefully give a sense of audience and purpose? These things can be very, very simple. Cooking up an email from Doctor Who that arrives into the classroom saying he's lost in outer space, the TARDIS has broken down, and can the children explain how to get the TARDIS going, or write a set of instructions? Or maybe Doctor Who is on a distant planet called Hexagon. What's the planet like? Can they write a fact file for the planet? The little ones, maybe taking them in Exmouth. I remember a school going down onto the beach with the year ones and finding a message in a bottle from Captain Kim, who was stranded on a desert island. And every now and then Captain Kim would write to them, asking them to send information or write stories for his children. So there's an edge of audience, an edge of purpose. We all know it's play, so audience and purpose doesn't necessarily have to be real, but it needs to feel real. So the hook is the dressing up bit. Some people absolutely go for it. I mean, I've seen people convert whole classrooms into Narnia and open areas into Narnia. I don't think you have to necessarily build Narnia, but getting an edge of audience and purpose and excitement, using our creativity, our imagination as teachers to dress the whole thing up. And of course, we're constantly threading that through the unit of work as well, so that it's not dry, it's alive, and the children are excited by the work that they're doing. So that's the hook, the dressing up, giving it a sense of audience and purpose, capturing their imagination.